The Moray West offshore wind farm is located in the Moray Firth in northeast Scotland and has been developed, constructed and operated by Ocean Winds.
The Moray West offshore wind farm is a project consisting of 60 wind turbines and a capacity of 882 megawatts.
In October 2022, we started construction of the onshore substation at Whitehillock. At this point, we were also in serious discussions with Moray Council regarding the potential use of Buckie Harbour as a long-term operations and maintenance base for the project.
The project was consented in record time. The route to market was quite an innovative structure, different to what we would normally do in the UK, whereby we engaged different corporate PPA off-takers.
And by January 2023, we'd already started construction of the onshore cable route.
Moray West and Ocean Winds has worked really hard to invest in the local communities and engage with companies here.
In May 2023, Global Energy Group started the fabrication of 2 J-tube cages for the offshore substation platforms. These intricate and complex structures are imperative to allow the cables to be successfully pulled into the topsides. We also had our 2 offshore substation platforms, OSPs, under construction at Newcastle by the Siemens Consortium. The works in Buckie Harbour started on the quayside and shortly thereafter on the onshore part of the build, where our new offices were under construction. Over the course of the year, pontoons, harbour crane and of course the fantastic new building rose up from the site of the former harbour office. Moving on into summer 2023, monopile started arriving into Invergordon.
We have the largest wind turbines installed in the industry so far, sitting on XXL monopiles, which are some of the heaviest foundation structures which have been fabricated in the offshore wind business.
By October 2023, we saw the OSPs sail down the River Tyne on a barge and head up to site. And we also had the start of the offshore export cable campaign by Nexans.
In Morayshire in Aberdeenshire, where we've worked closely with Buckie Harbour and Fraserburgh to improve the facilities there so that our vessels can operate.
In December, we installed both offshore substations by Boscalis.
We have 2 separate electrical circuits which run to landfall and connect to the national grid at Blackhillock onshore substation.
In April 2024, we loaded out the first tower, blades and nacelle at Nig onto the Wind Orca ship. This then sailed out and successfully installed the first 2 wind turbines for the project. Very soon after, in June 2024, first power was exported from these turbines through our OSPs and export cables to the national grid.
So in Moray West, we're obviously really focused on local content, and one of the things that we were working with SGRE on is how we can support their development of their local facilities. So it was identified that their Hull blade manufacturing facility would be ideal for our blades. So we have 100% of our blades coming from Hull.
In November 2024, the final wind turbine was installed by Wind Orca, which was an amazing achievement.
I'm really proud that Moray West has been a project which has remained on track, on schedule, all the way through from the start of the project to completion, and we will be commissioning the wind farm as planned by the summer of 2025.
The Moray West project should be in operational phase for up to 35 years, exporting clean green energy to the national grid infrastructure. With an installed capacity over 1.8 gigawatts, once operational, Moray West and Moray East will make Ocean Winds the largest operator of offshore wind in Scotland.